The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Massac County, Illinois, Pope County, Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, until 2:45 a.m. At 1:54 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake of Egypt area to 8 miles east of Thames, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Metropolis, Vienna, Goreville, Golconda, Lake of Egypt area, Dixon Springs, New Columbia, Joppa, Cypress, New Burnside, Buncombe, Belknap, Eddyville, and Simpson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 2 and 35. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 40 and 43. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Johnson, Massac, and Pope.